Hello dear students, this is Deutsch course, German course, Buch 2, Book 2. And this is Lektion Nummer 9, lesson number 9. So in Lektion Nummer 9, we will learn about your. In this lesson, you will learn the usage of word your in German. In German, your can be translated to several different words depending on the context, grammatical case, and level of formality. Let's learn how to use the word your in German. In English, it is very easy. Your for female, for singular, for plural, your for everything. But in German, the case is different. In formal way, you use ihr with masculine, singular and plural, and ihre with feminine nouns with plural and singular. And informal ways. In informal way, we use your, dein. Dein means your. Then we use male singular. Those nouns which gives the voice of male, so we use singular with singular. We use dein. Deine we use with female or feminine nouns with singular, okay, and with plural as well, with only with singular. And eure with male, female, plural, okay? Your. Like we say, das ist dein Hund, das ist deine Katze, this is your dog, this is your cat, and this is your for plural, okay? Das ist eure Katze, das ist eure Hund. So now let's learn the usage of your in German with the help of images. So look, this boy says, das ist mein Stuhl. This is my chair. Das ist mein Stuhl. Das ist ihr Stuhl. He says, das ist ihr Stuhl. This is your chair. And now this woman says, das ist mein Schreibtisch. This is my table. And das ist dein Schreibtisch. This is your table. She says to this girl. Das ist mein Schreibtisch, she says. And now she says to this girl. Das ist dein Schreibtisch. This is my table. This is your table. Das ist mein Schreibtisch. Das ist dein Schreibtisch. Now this lady says, das ist mein Regenschirm. This is my umbrella. Das ist ihr Regenschirm. This is your umbrella. Das ist mein Regenschirm. Das ist ihr Regenschirm. So this ihr is formal way, okay? With informal way, we can say das ist dein Regenschirm, okay? Like in this slide. You see? Das ist dein Schreibtisch. Because she is older, she's the boss, she's talking to her pupil. So this is informal and this is formal. Das ist ihr Regenschirm. This is your umbrella. Again, informal way. Das ist mein Schuh. This is my shoe. Das ist dein Schuh. This is your shoes. Das ist mein Schuh. Das ist dein Schuh. Okay, this is informal way because they are friends, are siblings. Now look, das ist deine Puppe. This is your doll. Puppe, Puppe. So look at this, deine Puppe. In German, the noun we are talking about differs the case, okay? Das ist deine Puppe. So Puppe is feminine noun, so we used deine here, okay? Das ist deine Puppe. This is your doll. This girl says to this girl. Now, this girl is talking to this girl. Das ist deine Blume. Das ist deine Blume. This is your flower. It's feminine noun, so that's why we are using deine with Blume. Das ist deine Blume. This is your flower. Das ist ihre Tochter. This is your daughter. This is your daughter. This girl is talking to this lady that this is your daughter. Das ist ihre Tochter. So ihre, it is formal way, okay, of your in German. When you talk about when you are talking to your parents, your elders, your teachers, your boss, so you have to use ihre or ihr. If the noun is feminine, we use ihre, ihre. Das ist ihre Tochter. This is your daughter. Das ist deine Mutter. So now this girl is talking to this girl. Okay? So she says, das ist deine Mutter. This is your mother. So because they are friends, they are siblings, so she is talking informal way, okay? Das ist deine Mutter. This is your mother. So now Übung exercise translate into German the upcoming slide. So this is English and this is Deutsch. So you should write, so you should fill in the blanks, okay? Mr. Lal, this is your chair. Herr Lal, das ist Stuhl. What word will come here? You should write in your notebook. Madam Angela, this is your cup. Frau Angela, das ist Tasse. Which word will come here? Anna, this is your dog. Anna, das ist Hund. What word will come here? Write in your notebook. Paul, this is your cat. Paul, das ist Katze. You should fill the blank and write all these sentences in your notes. So vocabulary words, Vokabeln, write these words in your notebook as well, okay? Das Bein, the leg, leg. Das Bein, Bein, leg. Die Lampe, lamp. Das Bein, die Lampe. Das Ende, the end. Bis bald.